Western North Carolina during the Civil War.
I would be with you if times would permit, or at least if my health was good. The foe is invading our soil, and you are nobly standing in her defense. And if the opportunity offers, I think you all will serve the foe just right. Alfred Wilson, March 8th, 1862.
Times in our country is hard for the poor class of people. Salt is from $9 to $10 a sack. Her and every other thing is proportionate. There is good crops made in our country. I think corn can be bought at 50 cents all through the winter. Elizabeth Watson, October 29th, 1861.
Thank you.
I like tater tots.